This is Isaac and Teh-Wei's pig. Her name is Megan. She is a newborn female. Here we have the diaphragm, a sheet of muscle that separates the thoracic and abdominal cavities and operates the lungs. The liver has 5 lobes and produces bile. The gallbladder is on the underside of the liver, difficult to see here, but it stores bile. The esophagus comes through the liver. It carries food down to the stomach. The stomach is also over here. It's this bag down there. It helps digest food, churns it. The cardiac sphincter valve is the valve attached to the esophagus. It prevents acid from going back up the esophagus and burning it. The pyloric sphincter valve is the valve attached to the small intestine. The fundus is the more anterior portion of the stomach. The body is the main portion, and the pyloric region is mostly posterior. The greater curvature is the outside of the stomach, the portion nearest to you. The longest curve around the outside of the stomach. And meconium is debris that is found throughout the digestive system. The small intestine does a lot of digestion. The first part, the duodenum, is around here. The second part, the jejunum, is over here. And right here is the ileum. The mesentery is a little hard to see. It's covered in blood right now, but it's there. It holds the intestines together. It holds together a large part of the abdominal cavity. The pancreas, flap like over here. I think that's it. Yes, that is it. It produces insulin, among other things, certain acids. The spleen cleans out the bloodstream. The cecum is part of the large intestine. It's comparable to the appendix in humans. Let's see. It's down there. This is the large intestine. All this right here. It is mostly responsible for reabsorption of water. You can't see the rectum. We haven't opened up that far, but this tube follows down. That one right there follows down to the rectum. It is where the feces are compacted and prepared for excretion. And here is the anus, which is the hole for excretion. The kidneys create urine, and they remove unneeded proteins and other things from the bloodstream. The umbilical vessels are used for carrying of nutrients to the infant while it's still a fetus. These hoses right here. And the urinary bladder, which holds urine before it's excreted, is in between them.